Hello everyone! It's actually sunny today, surprisingly. But, hey. That's life for you. Things don't all go. I don't know where this is going anymore. Oh well. Okay, well, as for the look for today, we are doing this sweet little one, the Downy Woodpecker. And yes, it is small. Believe me. So, the other name for it is the Dryobates pubescens. I can't speak Latin. It's on screen. Anyway, let's move on. Base is done, onto the eyes. Let's go.
Prime and set those lids. Take some black cream eyeshadow or eyeliner and apply it into the crease. Blend it out. Set it with some black eyeshadow. Apply that shadow to your lower lid and leave a little space between the black of the upper lid and the lower lid. Clean up if necessary. Apply a white cream eyeshadow on the lid, going out in that line left between the blacks. Blend it out a little. You should also set it. I forgot to do this initially. You'll see later. Red popped onto the end of the white and black. Line those waterlines. In black, obviously. And here I am fixing the eyeshadow because I didn't set the white earlier. See? Now some white liquid liner dotted around the outer part of the lower black shadow. Curl those lashes. followed by mascara. Then fill in those brows. Time for the lashes. Big, bold, and wispy.
Alright, now the eyes are done, so on to the rest of the face. Let's go!
A light natural contour. And a pretty light pink blush. Highlighter, white on all those high points.
Okay, on to the lips. These will be a little bit interesting. So, on we go.
Red and black. Put the red only on the upper half of the upper lid. Everything else in black. Blend it into the red just a little, just so there isn't a harsh line between the two. Like this. Finally, a little of the highlighter on the center of the lips.
And we're done! Cute little Downy Woodpecker. It's kind of difficult to see, but the red is up there just a little bit. Blend it into the black. But yeah, Downy Woodpecker. It's a cute little one that comes by every so often. They are really cute. Anyway, that's me done for the day. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Hello everybody! I'm back. That's obvious.
Red popped onto the outer end. Outer end? There's only one end. You should also set it. I forgot to do this initially. You'll see later. Highlighter. White. On all those high points.